Hey Python developers, welcome to another DelfStack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to add integers to a list in Python. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate Python programmer, understanding list operations is crucial for effective coding. Let's get started. Here's a simple Python program that takes space-separated numbers as input and converts them into a list of integers. First, we use the input function to kick user input. In this case, we ask the user to enter numbers separated by its basis. Next, we use the split method. This breaks the string into individual elements. Whenever there is space, creating a list of strings. Since split creates a list of strings, we need to convert them into integers. We use the mak function along with the unt to convert each element from a string to an integer. Finally, we print the list of numbers confirming that the conversion was successful. In this tutorial, we have covered a meatloop to add integers to a list in Python. Understanding this method allows you to manipulate lists effectively in your Python projects. For more tutorials and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!